Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. In this short tutorial we will guide you how you can fix slow download or not downloading issue in uTorrent or BitTorrent. So here is some simple step. As you can see, first of all I will stop my download because it has very slow or not downloading issue. Then you have go to preferences, and then from here you will change this setting accordingly. As I am changing this port as 46550, so you must have to change this port accordingly in connection. The next setting is enable PNP port mapping and also enable net PNP. We will go to the next menu, which is bandwidth menu. So from here you can see here is a global upload rate is almost 500, so you have to change it accordingly up to 10 or 15 kbps. And here you can see download limit is only 20 to 25 kbps, which is restricted, so you have to change it accordingly as 0, which is for unlimited. Now we will go to the next menu, which is number of connection that you have to provide to your uTorrent client, which is 2350, and the next maximum number of connected peer as per torrent is 700. So you have to change this accordingly. And here you can see number of upload split slot for torrent is 32, so you have to change it up to 4. Now this setting will be done. Now you go to BitTorrent menu, which is same as I have said. Now you go to queuing menu, and you have also to change this menu accordingly. So first of all I will change this queue value up to 4, or you maybe keep it up to 3. The next number of active download is you must to keep up to 3. And the last setting that you have go to change in advanced setting, which is BT connect speed, so you have to keep it up to 80. And then you have again search for RSS value. So I will filter here, and you can see in last RSS update interval, which is 15, so I will change it 95. You must keep it below from 100, so you have to set it accordingly, and then you have apply, and then okay. So all setting is done. Last setting that I will show you is I will close, and then this is you can see tracker list, so you can find this tracker list from my download or comments of this video. So as you can see, here is no tracker. So first of all I will copy this tracker and then go to my app of uTorrent, and then you have to paste here. So as you can see, this is updated. Now I will close all this menu, and then you can see it is opening from here. So I will also close from here in this tray. As you can see, because I have changed this setting, now I will open it as a run as administrator and then start it. So as you can see, the download is started, and you can see the speed is almost up to 1 Mbps and 2 Mbps. It depends on your internet bandwidth. If you have a good speed, then you will get desired result. So apply this setting. You have again any issue, then comments us. Thanks for watching.